And the 2015 national champion, 8 to 12s, representing Derwent Reservoir Sailing Club, Ollie Pert. Ollie is one of Conway's chief.
I'm just really happy because to get a new rib would be good for the club. I just want to say thank you to Steve and my other trainer Matt, because they've been taking us out all the time and just teaching us and saying us where I can cut seconds off and everything, and doing loads of tactical work with us.
And the lucky club that Max Moyer has won. Girton Sailing Club have won.
I'm so happy. I'm absolutely ecstatic. My club needed this boat, definitely. It's just amazing. I can't believe it. I should take this boat home. My favourite part is definitely the slalom, because I just love weaving in and out, and you've got to be really precise with the slalom. There's a lot of torque in them. There's definitely a lot of power, because without our racing, normally for training, there's not a lot of power, but then when you're racing these four strokes, there's definitely grunt in them. They are good boats.
I say every single year about the standards, and this year is no exception. Everyone has been training very, very hard, and it shows this year. The importance that this championship has to us and the RYA is that teaching people young is a very, very good way of having useful club members, instructors when they're 16, safe powerboaters, and above all, it's fun.
For us, it's a fantastic way to get young people into boating, to try and get them to enjoy using our products in a safe environment, and learn to use them properly.
Firstly, the kids look like they're having fantastic fun, and that's really the most important thing. To add to that, the RYA bring in their expertise regarding safety, telling people that actually yes, you can have fun, you can drive fast, you can throw a boat around, but you can do it in a safe manner.
One winner, and that's Max from Girton. Max wins the...
I'm always so proud of my son. He's just I am. I can't put it into words. There's not enough words. Not enough words.